Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're uncovering a troubling issue that's been giving Windows users serious headaches. Microsoft's latest Bing Wallpaper app, which was supposed to add some flair to your desktop, is actually sneaking in some shady, malware-like behaviors behind the scenes. Whether you use your PC for work, gaming, or just everyday tasks, you absolutely need to hear this and learn how to safeguard your system. Imagine installing an app you think will brighten your day with stunning daily images from around the globe, only to find out it's secretly tampering with your system. That's exactly what's happening with the Bing Wallpaper app. Users are discovering that this seemingly innocent tool is behaving like malware, automatically installing unwanted features, decrypting your browser cookies, and even trying to force Microsoft Edge as your default browser. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a significant invasion of your privacy and control over your own system. And the worst part, Microsoft is a trusted name, so many users are blindsided by these hidden features. Let's break down exactly what's going wrong and how you can protect yourself. According to Rafael Rivera, a Windows developer and reverse engineer, the Bing Wallpaper app is a nightmare for your security and privacy. Here's what it's doing. Automatically installs Bing Visual Search without your consent. Includes code to decrypt cookies saved in other browsers, potentially exposing your private data. Adds a free geolocation web API to your system, tracking your every move. Attempts to change your default browser to Microsoft Edge, even nagging you to enable Microsoft Bing Search extensions for Chrome and Firefox. These aren't just minor annoyances, they're significant invasions of your privacy and control over your own system. And the worst part? Microsoft is a trusted name, so many users are blindsided by these hidden features. Netizens are furious. Comments are flooding in, with users likening the app to malware. Some even talking about potential class action lawsuits. The consensus? If it's free, you're likely the product. But don't worry, there's a way out of this mess. Here's how you can protect your system and still enjoy a beautiful desktop background. Uninstall the Bing Wallpaper app, head over to Settings, Apps, Apps and Features, find Bing Wallpaper and click Uninstall. Remove unwanted extensions, open Chrome or Firefox, go to Extensions and remove any Bing-related add-ons. Restore your default browser, go to Settings, Apps Default Apps, and set your preferred browser back as the default. Use alternative wallpaper apps. There are plenty of ad-free options like Dynamic Wallpaper, Wallpaper Engine, or even the built-in Windows 11 feature to change your background daily. By taking these steps, you can reclaim control over your system and ensure your privacy remains intact. Plus, you'll still get to enjoy stunning wallpapers without the hidden baggage. Microsoft needs to be held accountable for these intrusive tactics, and your voice matters. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's make sure others are aware of what's happening. Have you installed the Bing Wallpaper app? What's your experience been like? Let us know in the poll and in the comments. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to spread the word. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, news, and in-depth analyses. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.